Are you looking to bring your videos to life with a dynamic audio spectrum in CapCut? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to visualize your music or audio with eye-catching spectrum effects. This is perfect if you want to make music videos, podcasts, or even just add some extra flair to your edits. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to open up CapCut. If you've never used it before, CapCut is a user-friendly video editing app available on most devices. And it's free to use. So go ahead and locate the CapCut icon on your device and open it up. Give it a second to load. Sometimes it takes a moment depending on your system or phone. Once CapCut is open, you'll be greeted by the main home screen. Here's where all your projects start. Now, let's get started by clicking Create New. It's usually easy to spot. There's a big button, sometimes with a plus sign, inviting you to begin a new project. Clicking Create New sets up a fresh workspace, so you have a clean slate to build your video. The next step is selecting a blank canvas. CapCut will ask if you want to start from scratch or use a template. For an audio spectrum, you want full control over the design, so choose blank canvas. This will give you a plain workspace with nothing on it yet. Think of it like a painter starting with a fresh whiteboard. You get to add every detail just the way you want. Once your blank canvas is ready, you want to add a video. Don't be worried if you don't have one ready just yet. You can either use a sample or choose a clip from your device. Hit the Select a Video option. CapCut will open your media library, so find a video that suits your project. For example, maybe you have a clip of your song cover or a podcast episode. Pick the file you want to work with, and CapCut will place it on your canvas. Now, here's where the audio spectrum magic happens. Look for the Elements option in the tools at the bottom or side of the editor. It might look like little shapes or effects. Click into Elements and then type or search for Audio. This helps you locate all the audio-related elements quickly, saving time scrolling and hunting. Once you're browsing the audio section, you should see a variety of animated graphics suited for music, including audio spectrums. To add an audio spectrum to your video, just select one from the samples you see. There may be a few styles to pick, some simple and clean, others a bit more colorful or dramatic. Tap the spectrum effect you like, and CapCut will add it to your canvas, overlaying onto your video. If you want the spectrum to react to your audio, make sure your clip has music or sound. CapCut's built-in spectrums often auto-sync to the audio track. You can resize and move the spectrum around, placing it wherever it looks best, at the bottom for a classic style, or maybe front and center for impact. From here, you can tinker with settings like color and animation speed, but the main steps are done. You've added a professional-looking audio spectrum to your video in CapCut. Take a moment to preview it, making sure it matches the vibe you want. So, that's how you add an audio spectrum. Simple, but with a ton of potential for creative edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another effect you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tips and video editing tricks. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.